Navigating the journey of a relationship can often feel like steering a ship through uncharted waters. It's an adventure filled with discovery, learning, and sometimes a bit of troubleshooting. But just like any seasoned captain who turns to their navigational tools to chart a course, couples today have their own digital compasses to guide their relationships towards stronger, more fulfilling connections. Thanks to the insights from IDROP NEWS, we're exploring 8 innovative apps designed to enhance the bond between you and your significant other. At number 8, we find Paired, a beacon for couples seeking to add an element of fun and discovery to their daily interactions. By engaging in quizzes and answering intriguing questions about each other, couples can uncover new layers of their relationship, sparking conversations that might not have happened otherwise. Next up at 7, Love Nudge acts as a personal relationship coach, offering insights into the languages of love. Understanding how each partner gives and receives love can transform the way you communicate affection, ensuring that no gesture of love goes unnoticed. Number 6, Intimately Us invites couples to deepen their connection through exploration and intimacy. It's a tasteful tool that encourages partners to discover new dimensions of their relationship. Guided by expert advice and creative suggestions for keeping the spark alive, Honeydew, sitting at number 5, tackles the practicalities of partnership. This app helps couples manage their finances together, fostering transparency and teamwork in navigating the often choppy waters of money matters, a crucial component of any committed relationship. Couply claims the 4th spot by offering a daily dose of relationship enrichment. With just 5 minutes a day, couples can explore fun quizzes and creative date ideas, turning ordinary moments into opportunities for growth and connection. At 3, we feel turns emotional understanding into a game, making it easier for partners to express and understand each other's feelings. Whether you're in the early stages of dating or deep into your relationship journey, this app offers a playful way to deepen your emotional connection. Couple Game, taking the 2nd spot, brings a competitive edge to learning about each other. Through a series of questions on various topics, couples can celebrate their knowledge of one another, with relationship coupons has rewards for those well-earned victories. And at number 1, Between provides a sanctuary for couples to store their most precious memories. It's more than just an app, it's a private space for two. In the age where digital tools can sometimes distract us from genuine connection, these apps offer a beacon of hope, guiding couples to deepen their bonds in meaningful ways. Thanks to IDROP NEWS for shining a light on these digital aids that promise not just to improve our relationships, but to transform them. Whether you're navigating the early days of love or steering through the complexities of a long-term partnership, these apps hold the potential to bring you closer, proving that in the digital age, technology can indeed be the wind in the sails of romance.